I like trains.
Hello, everyone.
Sorry about that.
You're good. It's not fouled. But the last eastbound was.
It's definitely an old maid.
Yeah, it is a low. I bet it's a coal train. Maybe not.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. No, it's taking the Met. It's taking the Met. This could be a manifest. Manifested. Mixed freight. Mixed freight. Oh wow. Did not even know this was coming at all. M415 probably, or M407. What? And we have Old Main production. It's a great night. This is another train we didn't know about.
Are we supposed to try to go for one that's for the old main line? Is that the goal?
Yeah, we're waiting for it to come off the Old Main. And we have two coming on the Met. My guess is it's red because it's waiting for these to get through.
I got you.
Yeah, this is so this train sat in Brunswick because there's a yard there and it worked there, and then they set it free.
Yeah, I got you. That makes sense when you think about it. Okay. East Bay passing, going to DC, and then you got the old main then.
Now this one is gonna go to DC, and then like so the last one, the Autorec train, went from DC, then it went up to Baltimore. This one is not going to Baltimore. It's gonna go south from DC. It's going to, I think it's going to North Carolina.
Oh, like coastal North Carolina? Like,
Rocky Mount.
all right. Okay.
It's near Raleigh.
So, does it cross into Virginia, then DC, or DC, then
DC
Virginia?
and then Virginia.
Okay. So, even if we wanted to go that way, we can. It's impossible.
Yeah, we ain't chasing this one.
Yeah.
Lots of hoppers on this one, interestingly enough. This actually could be M407. It's either M407 or M415. No clue, though. But I thought for sure this was a loaded coal. Rolling stock's been kind of boring right now. Oh, hang on a second. Did I just jinx that? No. Yeah, I don't know what the symbol is, but it's got to be 415 or 407. What does that say? CSX. Okay. Oh, what are these? What are these? That is definitely formally something. What? I don't know. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, like this long too. Like I said, 250, 300 cars.
Oh, I ain't that long. What's this last car? This is, it's gotta be M407 because it doesn't have DPU. There it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Another surprise here. Didn't even know that was coming. Thanks for watching.